how to detect and prevent roof leaks in Tampa with affordable roofing systems. A small roof leak can lead to major problems: ruined ceilings, mold, and expensive repairs. At Affordable Roofing Systems, we help Tampa homeowners prevent damage with expert inspections, routine maintenance, and fast repairs. Here's how to spot leaks before they get worse. Early signs of roof leaks. Catching a leak early can save you thousands. Inside your home, look for water stains on ceilings or walls, peeling paint, or a musty smell. In your attic, check for wet insulation, mold, or sunlight coming through gaps. If you notice these signs, schedule an inspection right away. How to inspect your roof for damage. Go outside and check your roof for missing or curled shingles. Look for cracked flashing around vents, chimneys, or skylights. After a storm, inspect for loose shingles or debris. Clogged gutters can also trap moisture, leading to leaks. Even small cracks can let water in over time. The role of gutters and drainage. Blocked gutters don't just overflow. They let water pool on your roof, leading to leaks, wood rot, and pest problems. Keep gutters clean and make sure downspouts direct water away from your home. Check for sagging gutters that could cause water buildup. Why routine roof maintenance matters. Regular maintenance helps prevent roof leaks before they start. Clear debris, trim tree branches, and check seals around vents and chimneys. A professional inspection twice a year and after major storms can catch hidden issues before they become expensive repairs. Don't wait for minor leaks to turn into major damage. Save time and money with Affordable Roofing Systems expert Tampa roof repairs. Call 813-542-8462 or visit affordableroofingflorida.com to get your free estimate today. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.